Hi, my name is Angel from Wolfeye.de, and in this video, I would like to answer the question, what is the best employee monitoring software for multiple devices? So this is the situation. You're an employer, you're a business owner, and you are not, let's say, in the US or in Europe or in Germany. In the US and in Germany, it is you please before you install on your employees computers an employee monitoring software to monitor everything that they do, take legal advice if you're allowed to do it. There are possibilities to do it, but oftentimes, for example, in the case of Germany, you cannot just monitor all your stuff. Yeah, that's not possible. There are ways. Please take legal. I do not give legal advice, but the situation there, as I understand it, and I'm not a lawyer, I don't give legal advice, is that you only can like monitor one employee because you're suspicious that he's doing harm to the company, and so you install it on his computer, or maybe two. And this, my understanding is in the US, it's a similar situation also. No? And the software I'm going to present, you can use it for these purposes. Wolfeye Remote Screen, I show you in a minute. But for those of you that need to install multiple devices, so you're business owner and you're allowed to do it. For example, in you have staff in Mexico, in Peru, in Colombia, um, in India. These are all countries where it's completely legal to monitor your employees. Please, I don't give legal advice. Please take advice from your lawyer, but it's like that. And then you're in a situation, very important, that you need the best software that allows you to monitor all your employees at the same time. The solution I show you, I will show you what you get. Yeah? The solution is Wolfeye Remote Screen. Wait, it is wolfeye.de, wolfeye.de. You come to our website, and this is the software. Basically, what it does, you install Wolfeye Remote Screen. It's a small piece of software. We're really small. Let me see how small it is. 280 kilobytes. That's really a very small piece of software. You install it on each of your employees' computers that you want to monitor, and um, and after you have installed it, you will get a link that you will open in your browser, even the browser from any browser, the browser of your smartphone or the browser on your laptop or the browser on your computer at work. And what you will see when you open that link in the browser is what you see here in the screenshot. You see it? In this case, it's 9 employees. You will see the live computer screen of each of the employees in live, what they're doing live, as if you were sitting in front of it, but without them noticing anything. That's basically it. Yeah, that's what you will get. And for that, what you must do, and I will demonstrate it in this video, is you have to install it on each of your employees' computer. I will show you in a minute how to do that. First of all, mm, um, if you need help setting up I recommend that you contact us and we guide you through the installation, or although I will show you how you do it by yourself. So please write us a WhatsApp, and in that way, and we schedule a Google Meet. You can here schedule a Google Meet session, or here if you scroll down, because we might be in different time zones. I'm in Germany, for example. You might be in I don't know, yeah, in the US or in Mexico, wherever you are. And then you don't have to mind our time differences. This tool here, you select a date, we do a Google Meet session, and in the Google Meet session, I will demonstrate the software for you if you like, installing it on my computer, or I guide you through the installation process. I help you. Yeah, we do it together, so you don't have to watch. And this is the second. You can watch the tutorial and install it yourself. Here under download, you can download it completely for free and use it in the trial version. Or you go to tutorial. Here we have a 9-minute tutorial video that will exactly 100% show you will be able to do it by yourself if you are a bit if you know about, let's say, computers and Windows and everything. But if you don't, because you are using always Mac, because this is for Windows computer, contact us, and we schedule a Google Meet session. We guide you through the installation. um, so how does it work? You download it on each of the employees computer, and it is installed within a minute. Two things you must take into account, or three. The first thing is, uh, um, you have to install it in the correct folder. The tutorial will tell you, will show you. It has to be C users public document, and well, and in C users public, you can choose any folder, and for example, public documents, and there you create a folder. You can name it as you like, and also the application you can call it as you like. Yeah. That's the first thing, that you select that folder, use as public documents or public music, and there you create a folder. Watch the tutorial. Yeah? That's the second is, this is the surveillance software. Antivirus programs will detect it. That's the task of antivirus programs, to warn you from surveillance software, spying software. Yeah? So that's why you must put this path, that you will put Wolfeye into the antivirus exception of your antivirus program. We can help you with that, but the tutorial shows you how to do it. I will show it. I will not show it here. And the third thing to consider is, of course, the downloaded file is a zip file. Yeah, so please don't double-click the zip file and open it from there, because it's a zip file. You have to right-mouse click and extract the content of the zip file. Yeah, it will ask you for a password. The password is Wolfeye. Also, you see on the tutorial and on our website. And yeah, these are three things you must consider. What path you use, and C users public, and there create a folder, public documents, and that you put the folder into the exception of your antivirus, and that the downloaded file is a zip file. Please extract the content. Don't run it from that zip file. There are people that do it, and don't extract the zip file, then of course it does not work. Okay, that's it. How does it work? So you install it on your employee, each of your employees' computer. You double click the application, and the control window appears. This is the control window. And basically, you only need to hit two buttons. The first button is the green button. You hit it, and the software creates a link. You will see the live computer screen on that link using a browser. And then you click and write down the link, or you can email it to your email address by hitting this gray button that says email URL. And then the second button you must hit is the stealth mode button. This is the blue button. You hit it, and it goes into background. This you do for each of your employees' computer. Write down these links, and then you contact me, and I will send you back that link I talked about, that will show the situation like this. Yeah, you will have multiple computers for each of your employees, the live screen in a in a URL, in a window like this, where you see everything at the same time for all the multiple computers. Basically, that's basically out there the only program that allows it to do it like this. But because most of the programs, they protocol, they do screenshots every 10 minutes or something like that, or every 5 minutes. So, but it's not the functionality that allows you to just uh, uh, do a surveillance, just see the live screens, so that you from time to time can take a look at the desktops, the computers of them, without them noticing anything. Yeah, so I'm very happy if you contact us, so we can schedule a Google Meet session. But of course, you can also install it yourself, run it yourself. Um, Anyways, you will have to contact us, so that we send you this dashboard URL that will be also password protected. Yeah, I'm very happy to hear from you. I hope this helps. Have a nice day.